Got to give Fflint credit. I thought they were more front foot than us second half and put us under pressure. Obviously rode our luck with the penalty. But I got to give my boys credit as well in terms of, you know, the willingness to fight and scrap and just stick in there. And that's what we did, and it could turn out to be a valuable point.
Lee, your assessment of the game? It's one I won't be watching back, that's for certain, and I think Jenks will be exactly the same. I thought it was poor quality from both teams in terms of maybe the conditions, but a bit of bravery as well. It's been very unlike us the last two performances, and I just think if we would have put another 15-20% in and kept the ball a little bit better, we would have got a lot more chances than we did.
Game of two halves really. I thought we started a little bit slow, but kicking on into the game, we found our feet, and yeah, we got into the game well. Second half, I personally feel like we dominated a little bit more than Barri did, and honestly, it happens in football. We missed a penalty, but honestly, coming on from Pennymont's game, I'm just glad that we were able to react very well. Our reaction was very good, and yeah, just now all focus is for Tuesday.
I think Lee's done a great job, and they're not easy to play against, and they proved that today. They were a lot more aggressive second half. Probably the wind helped them a little bit as well, but they made it really difficult for us in terms of on the restarts and trying to play out, and they pressed high and they won the ball out high and caused us problems. So, you know, I'm pleased with the point, and I'll take that in terms of how the game went.
Ultimately, the proof's in the pudding. When they go onto that football pitch, they've got to feel 100% confident in their ability, because we've proved we can match any footballing team in this league. But over the last two games, we haven't. We've got to get back to it, because that's the way we play. But point, clean sheet, which is very unlike me. I think it's probably one of my first clean sheets in 4 years. We go again. Tough game Tuesday. Roll on to the champions. We'll be looking forward to it.